Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my recipe for a brioche loaf, or you can make this recipe into buns. It's a perfect recipe for this holiday season. So to start, we're going to go in with flour into our bowl, yeast, sugar, and some gluten or wheat gluten. If you can't find the wheat gluten, you can omit it. Next, I'm going to go in with 2 eggs, or you can use 4 yolks if you want a really yellow bread, and go in with your lukewarm milk. Mix until this comes together to form a soft dough. Now you'll notice that the dough may be quite sticky. That's how it's going to be. So once it comes into a bowl and all of the dry flour has been used up in the bowl, we're going to scrape that down from the paddle or from the hook attachment. Add in salt and butter. Now if you're using salted butter, go light on the salt or you can omit it. Next, we're going to knead this until that flour absorbs that butter and it's nice and smooth and elastic. Now you really need your stand mixer for this. You can use your hands, but you're going to get very tired quickly because this needs a lot of kneading. Once it's to the consistency of a nice smooth dough, form it into a ball, cover it, set it in your oven and place a bowl with some hot water under it. In this way, it's going to help that dough to proof faster. So you see how beautifully it has proofed. Press down on the flour to release the gas, and then you're going to break this into 3 dough balls. Now you can make this into one entire loaf, but I'm doing a plat loaf today. So 3 dough balls and then you open it out into long strands, the length that you would want the loaf to be. Now we're going to plait it. So if you know how to plait a girl's hair, you're going to plait this just like if you were plaiting a girl's hair. You want to make sure when you finish plait, you squeeze both ends together to make sure that it's secure. And then this goes into a greased loaf pan, and we're going to allow it to sit until it has doubled in size. Make sure and cover it with plastic wrap, and my trick to the plastic not sticking is placing some butter on the underside. Next, this goes into your oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes until it's golden brown. Take it out of your oven, place it on a wire rack and allow it to cool down completely before slicing into it. This gives you such a delicious bread. You see it has that light yellow color. It's not picking up on camera, but it has a light yellow color. And as I said, if you wanted this bread to be more yellow, just go with 4 egg yolks instead. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!